Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're gonna go ahead and take my 350 race motor, tear it down so I can get this ready to take to Cleveland and get this all done up. So we just took the valve covers off for the first time, and looking into this little valley here, you can see it's nice and shiny, so definitely not a good sign. Got metal in the motor. So glad we went ahead and pulled this apart. So let's keep pulling this down and see what we find next. We used Mega Black or Ultra Black, whatever you want to call it, to put the intake on just so we don't get any leaks. So it took forever to get this off. So lifting it effortless now to find a broken push rod in here in the valley. So that's pretty cool. What we found tearing this motor down is a broken push rod, which looks like a result from things locking up from getting too hot, like we assumed, because if you watch the video where I explained how I blew this up, told you I got it too hot and it kind of locked up on us. So found a lot of metal shavings in the valley and throughout the motor. We've got lots of scuffs on the cylinder walls here that I'll show you. And then you can just tell from the tops of the pistons that everything got super hot. And then we got this cool little trophy here. We had a few other bent push rods as well. So yeah, that's a consensus here for the 350 race motor. It is all boxed up now. I've got the aluminum AFR heads that we're upgrading to. We're gonna do a whole different rotating assembly in this. Block's gonna get bored. We're gonna do 400 crank, do the 383 stroker kit. So this thing's gonna have a lot more torque for this coming season. Get these wheels up on this big heavy truck of mine, and hopefully be able to do some wheelies for you this year because we weren't able to do it last year.